Right. Alrighty now the mark of a good match is how much we have to clean the arena afterwards. And if you know anything about our larger robot here, is there is oftentimes a lot of cleanup required that we will see. Are they going to do more damage to themselves than their opponent does to them? We will find out.
Weapons then?
I think things are happening. I'm not sure what they are or how many of those things, but some things appear to be happening. There is some robot motion. There is a small robot and a large robot in a box.
Try the weapon again.
And they're moving around.
Oh shit, what happened?
This is the one question: is are we evading or are we hunting? And we're really not sure.
Drive at him for. He can't do much either.
We're just having a good time, but like, what is the strategy? Is there a strategy? Is the strategy to have fun? Alright, so you try to get there, we just bounce off and keep going. Yeah, I think our large robot is very resilient. It just keeps on bouncing away. I can't.
No, keep driving.
There we go. 1,
Can you escape?
2, 3, 4,
Just keep driving.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Back off, please. We have a top.